So a lot of people ask me kind of like soup to nuts, like what's this look like, okay? And so again, it starts with you talking to a live person. Like normally within an hour, we'll call you back and set an appointment, or if not, within 24 hours. We come out, walk the house with you, we understand everything like that. We take a detailed line item, itemized estimate, everything to the penny. We go through custom design options. There's no pressure to sign on the spot. You take as much time as you need. If someone ever tries to pressure you, you get the wrong contractor, okay? From there, we'll let you know, now it gets into what the siding process kind of look like, okay? Well, I'll tell you, hey, we have to pull a permit or not, here's what that looks like. And then I'll tell you, hey, I've ordered material. Hey, everything's been secured. You get another update, hey, everything is now here. So everything has arrived. Hey, your schedule with the crew, we think you'll start this date. And then we'll do a pre-construction walk. So we'll come back out and walk the house before we start again. And normally even same day, if you have a half an hour we're starting, we'll want to be there. We want to make sure that we know, where do you want the dumpster? A lot of times we need almost all your driveway. Sometimes we need all of it. A lot of times we need at least 2/3 of it. Where do you want the dumpster to go? Where do you want siding to go? Let's make sure we're on the same page for that, okay? We'll talk through any flowers or plants. We'll also talk about where we're going to store material around the job site. And so we're gonna have cut stations, we're gonna move around. It's controlled chaos. And so we wanna be neat and tidy, but again, it is a construction zone. We'll talk through all that. We'll reconfirm every small detail. Then that day, we'll walk the house with the crew again. Me, my production manager, the crew owner, the crew supervisor, and all the guys. We'll go through everything again. So that's how the process works. We remove all of the siding, and then we fix any wood rot. Okay, sometimes I've told you what it's gonna cost because I can see the wall. Sometimes it's an estimate. Sometimes we have no idea. I'll just be honest, say, here's the worst case, here's what I expect. We'll just charge it as we go. And we'll fix all the wood rot. Then we put up, I like Hardy Wrap because it's a system warranty. Hardy makes the house wrap, they make the siding, everything goes together. It's all commercial grade and we'll tape all the seams, okay? So I treat every job like the city's gonna come out and inspect it. Once all that's up and we inspect it, me or my crew, now we're ready to start doing siding. Okay, then we start with basically the corner trim, the window trim, soffit, fascia, and then we start siding. But that's the general construction process. We're there every day. We take videos to send homeowners every single day of here's progress, here's what it looks like, here's issues. If we find an issue, we'll walk the house with you. If we find something that's gonna cost you more money, we're trying to tell you like, that day, that hour. I don't want you worried about what, even if it's only 200 bucks. I'd rather tell you it's 197.36. We'll take the time to itemize to try to tell you versus it's been days, it's been weeks. And so there's also a lot of details that can be changed, or there's 5 ways to do something. So we really want your input on how do you want this trim to look here? There's no right or wrong. Like I can make the choice for you, but at this point it's just user preference, it's aesthetic. And so we try to be really collaborative with the home. Some of our homeowners though, they're at trial. So we're sending them several videos and they're responding back in videos and texts, and we make it work. Like there's tons of time where people can't be there all day long, but if you're available, we'll communicate all the time. We don't want to over stress you out. We just want to over communicate everything going on. And so every day we'll walk the house, we'll let you know what's going on, we'll let you know what the schedule looks like. And so we try to be very proactive with, we're done on Tuesday, dumpster pickup on Wednesday, material picked up Wednesday, you have a driveway back, gutters come on Thursday. We're never that perfect, but man, we really strive. I don't want to take up your driveway 1 hour more than I need to. I want to give it back to you as fast as I can.